Finally, the animal farm is done and the Piggy Bank's pigs token is ready. Animal farm relaunch imminent. In approximately 24 hours, the animal farm will relaunch and the Piggy Bank will be unpaused. For those that are new to the channel, the purpose of this channel is to bring you a variety of passive income crypto plays that will enhance and support your crypto portfolio. Please note that none of this is financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Anything you see on this channel, if you choose to invest in it, you do so at your own risk. But you know what time it is. It's time to plug into the machine. It's the Crypto Machine. Johnny Diamond Hands bringing you more info in the crypto space, hitting you with this new drip UI layout. Forex Shark shared this with the Telegram group, so I feel it's only fitting to share it with you all. So here it goes, the new drip dapp redesign. Looks really good. I wonder that they have a dark mode on there. And that's it. That's it. So let me know what you guys think about the new drip UI. Let me know what you think in the comments. We don't have an exact date for when this will be implemented. Maybe it'll be released when the Piggy Bank and Animal Farm launches in the next 24 hours. So hey, there you have it, the new drip network dapp redesign. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future content. Peace.